HankBradyNola.com with Jerron Jarreau, MVP of the Mary LH Landry Invitational. Talk about your performance in this game tonight and how your team played throughout this tournament.
My team helped me out a lot. I don't know what I'll be. I don't even think I can win this interview without my team, but me, I'm the general of this team. I just gotta take care of the team, make sure everything on track, and just play out-type basketball and just take over the game and just let my team come behind me and do what they do.
Now Higgins was a tough out. Every time you guys jumped on them, they would come right back. How were you able to put them away in the end?
Defense. We just had to step up on defense and execute our plays. Once we did that, we came out the win. We came out with a 10-point win.
You had a couple sensational alley-oops. Gresham was able to down the ball for some dunks. Talk about that.
He know what I'm gonna do, cause we've been playing together for like 3 years now, so he know when I lob it up there, he go get it, put it in the run.
Now I gotta get at you again. Last night you missed the dunk. You came in today, you had an even sweeter one and you missed it.
Look, like I said yesterday, I tried to dunk it too hard, cause look, I saw he was about to set up for the charge. I just tried to go up at him.
All right, man, show off that MVP award one more time. All right, appreciate it.
All right.